Focus on making yourself better, not on thinking that you are better. Sometimes it takes the worst pain to bring about the best change. Everybody says mistake is the first step of success, but the real fact is correction of the mistake is the first step of success. Build your children, don't build houses for them. If you fail to build your children, they will sell the houses you built for them. If you try and fail, congratulations, most people won't even try. Time is not refundable, use it with intention. Treat your relations and money with equal respect, because both are hard to make and easy to lose. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Don't depend too much on anyone in this world. Even your shadow leaves you when you're in darkness. Do not correct a fool, or he will hate you. Correct a wise man, and he will appreciate you. Subscribe. Expect more from yourself than from others, because expectations from others hurt a lot, while expectations from yourself inspire a lot. That's life. If someone doesn't call or message you for a long time, understand that it's no longer you they need. It's someone else.